Zimbabwe must have proper elections and fix broken politics. Nelsonchamisa final azo address the nation. Zana mina mashoko ataura ndobva subscribe all like out now the bell icon. Tipina mhendo pakanyora chiti following the discredited, illegal and disputed 2023 general elections, Zimbabweans have not known peace. As of now, 78 families and 1-year-old child are without their loved ones. This is because the 78 political prisoners hold different political views and dare to express themselves and exercise their freedom of association. In addition, the families of Namataikwekweza, a human rights defender, Samuel Gwenzi, civil society, Robson Chere, trade unionist, Promise Munkuli, and Vismusi Moyo are without their loved ones for no reason other than their association with wanting a better Zimbabwe, advocating for women, young people, workers, and speaking out against injustices. In Zimbabwe, being an active, conscious citizen and being young is become a crime. The citizens, especially the young people, are persecuted for their beliefs and for wanting better lives. In Zimbabwe, it has been turned criminal to be young. This assault and onslaught on the citizens is a clarion call for unity across political divide to condemn and rebuke these violations, violence and injustice. Mashoko antawana nelsonchamisa achiaddressa the nation achiti aiwa panapa yatova mhosva kuti munhu ava youth, yatova mhosva kuti munhu wajoina maunions anoadvocata nhau dzemahuman rights nekuadvocata kodzero dzevanhu vana vechisikana kana kuita any act of association. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii aiwa pane speech adeliverwa naNelsonchamisa. Pina comment section medu musaka no subscribe kulike turn on the bell icon.